Welcome back, and I need help at C-square. In this example, we need to find the percentage of the data within each interval, and the data has a mean of 45 and a standard deviation of 7. So the first thing you need to do is this bell curve, which I'm going to do it here. Here in the middle, we're going to put the mean, which is 45, and then we're going to add 7. We get 52, that is 1 standard deviation, 59, 2 standard deviation, 66, 3 standard deviation. We're going to do the same to the left, 38, if we subtract 7, 31, and 24. Okay, and now we can look back here and say, hey, in order to find the data, the percent of the data that is greater than 31, I need to look to this area under the curve. Okay, and the way you want to treat this problem is in this way. This is 50%, very important. Then we have this piece here from between 38 and 45, that is 34% if you take a look on this curve. And the last piece, which is here, it's 13.5. This one is 13.5. If you add these three numbers, we're gonna get 97.5% of the data is greater than 31. And now we can move to the second part. On the second part, we are asked to find the data that is less than 59. And you're going to see we have a similar approach. 59 is this gentleman here, 2 standard deviation to the right of 45. And the data that is less than 59 will be this area under the curve. So how we're going to go here? We're going to go with this 50% here. All right, the left side of the bell curve, that is 50%. Then we have this area, which is 34. Then we have this area, which is 13.5. If you add these three numbers, you're going to end up with the same answer like the first part, 97.5%. 97.5% of the data is less than 59. And again, I will suggest you to remember this strategy of the half of the bell curve. That is important to remember to answer to question like this. Now we're going to do the last part of this problem, which said to look from 38 to 59, which is from here to here, from 1 standard deviation to 2 standard deviation. And we have here 34. We have another 34 here, or some people may say I can start with 68. That's true. And we have a last piece, which is this one here, which we mentioned before in the previous point, 13.5. So we have here 68 plus 13.5. So that will be, oops. 81.5% of the data is between 38 and 59. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-square for more help. Thank you.